Sher Shah Suri is the founder of the Sur dynasty in North India. He is known and admired as one of the finest warrior and administrator kings in India. He joined the Mughal Empire under Babur, and later with Humayun, he dominated the Mughal rule in 1540. Let's look at the period during the reign of Sher Shah Suri. Sher Shah Suri organized his military and civil affairs very systematically. His administration was based on the principles of a welfare state. He introduced several reforms. Sher Shah Suri divided his administration into central and provincial administration. He controlled and managed administration efficiently. He further divided the central administration into different departments, each headed by a minister. Under provincial administration, there were 47 provinces or sarkars. These provinces were again divided into districts or parganas. This helped in effective administration. Sher Shah Suri had strong military capabilities. He had a disciplined, efficient and strong army. The army was divided into several units and was placed under a commander. The cavalry and infantry were highly trained and were equipped with artillery. Let's look at the communication system during that period. Sher Shah Suri built an excellent network of roads. The Grand Trunk Road was one of the 4 roads built by him. He took up construction of roads so that his officials and troops could move throughout the empire, promote trade and commerce, and make travelling easier and comfortable. The Grand Trunk Road was the longest of the roads built by Sher Shah Suri. It connected Sonargaon in Bengal in the east to Peshawar in the northwest. He planted large trees throughout the Grand Trunk Road to provide shelter to travelers during their long journey. This single act shows the greatness and far-sighted vision of Sher Shah Suri. Rest houses called as sarais and wells were built at regular intervals. The sarais were also used as dak chowkis. 2 horsemen were always kept ready to carry royal mails to different parts of the country. Construction of roads and sarais helped the growth of trade and commerce. He abolished almost all the duties to encourage trade. He also ensured that his officers treated the merchants well. The zamindars and the village headmen were asked to take the responsibility of the safety of the traders. New weights and measures were introduced. Coins of gold, silver and copper were introduced. He issued a coin of silver which was termed as rupiah. It was the precursor of the modern rupee. Sher Shah introduced several reforms to improve the revenue system. Lands were measured and revenue was calculated depending on how fertile the soil was. Taxes were based on the average yield. Loans were granted and taxes were reduced when the crops failed due to floods or drought. The system of patta, that is title, and kubuliyat was introduced. It clearly depicted the mutual rights and duties of the citizen and the government. tax reforms, loans, waivers and the system of patta all improved the economic condition of the peasants. As a result, cultivation improved and the royal treasury got steady flow of funds. Sher Shah's reign nurtured and supported religious tolerance. He appointed Brahmajit Gaur as one of his generals. Raja Todarmal, one of the 9 gems in Akbar's court, also started his career under Sher Shah Suri. He donated large amount of money to both Hindus and Muslims. Sher Shah Suri patronized many learned scholars in his court and pursued his interest in art and learning. He built splendid monuments during his reign. The impressive court at Rohtasgarh and some buildings inside the old fort Purana Killa in Delhi were built by him. The mosque inside the old fort Purana Killa in Delhi is considered as an outstanding example of Indo-Islamic architecture. He also planned and built his own tomb in the middle of a lake at Sasaram in Bihar. During his reign of 5 years, Sher Shah Suri established a vast empire empowered with a well-organized army, sound administrative system, good communication system, revenue system and fair religious policies. Sher Shah Suri's administration was based on select the correct option and click Submit. Sher Shah Suri built dash that helped travelers. Select the correct option and click Submit. Now, let's recapitulate what you have just learnt in this animation.